Live from London, this is BBC News. The Kremlin confirms Vladimir Putin met with US envoy Steve Witkoff in Moscow last night to discuss the proposed 30-day ceasefire. Mr. Witkoff has since returned to Washington to relay the Russian president's response. Hamas says they have received a proposal to restart the ceasefire negotiations and is ready to release an Israeli-American hostage and the bodies of 4 other hostages. The UK economy shrank by 0.1% in January, a further blow to the government as it prepares to update its spending plans. A fresh start for the England football squad. New manager Thomas Tuchel has announced his first squad for the upcoming World Cup qualifiers, Jordan Henderson and Marcus Rashford earning a recall. And as the lunar landscape drifts into the Earth's shadow, stargazers are treated last night to a stunning blood moon.